Hi everyone, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Today I wanted to share with you guys a project. This was created by Tina. Thanks Tina for creating this. This is a pocket sleeve using either your Project Life sleeves, or you can use the protective baseball card sleeves, and you just want to cut it, so this one measures approximately 3 1/4 by 2 7/8, so that's why I will be using this as my, the size of the paper is why I followed the size of the sleeve. So in here I use this as to package like my little tabs here that I have, as well as you can create it and just put a gift card inside with the embellishment saying thank you, and you pretty much can embellish it either way how you like it. So what you want to go ahead and do is first start off with a cardstock that measures 5 by 3 and score at 4. So this is what it looks like. So it's going to be 5 by 3. So you can also use a cardstock or a designer paper that's 6 by 6. You can get 2 out of those. Just cut them in 3 at first and then cut it in 5. Okay, so if you have a double-sided paper, you do not need to cut this, because then you could have the two, pictures on here. But because I don't, I'm not using a double-sided paper, I will show you how to go about doing that. So for the people that do not have a double-sided paper, instead of scoring at 4, go ahead and cut it at 4, and this will leave you at this size, correct? Then you want to go ahead and cut a paper that measures, 3 by 1 inch, okay? And then you're going to score at 1/2 inch, okay? So this measures at 3 by 1. Then you want to go ahead and score in the middle right there. And then you want to fold your, press on your score line. So I'm using a lot of scraps here, okay? And then what you're going to do is choose, so you want to go like this. So you want to go ahead, you're going to put the paper inside this way. So let's get our tape out here. I'm using, oh, you know what? Yeah, so you go ahead and use a double stick tape. So I have that ready. You just cut off that little side there. Okay. So you want to cut one to put this and adhere this on. And then on this top also you want to go ahead and also put a double-sided tape. You can use whatever you want to attach it. You can use tape or glue. Okay, so there I go. I just want to varnish that and make sure that it's really tacked on there. Okay, and then what you're going to do is go ahead and peel that backing off. Sorry. And I just align it straight on there. Should go just like that. Okay, as well. And then, all right, so I'm having a hard time peeling this backing off. Okay, there we go. And then you want to go ahead and adhere the flap that you cut off. So I'm just going to open it so it's easier for me. So I'm going to use that score line as my my guide. It's not straight, so well, like I said, you corner around the edges like this, but now it looks like it's a double-sided paper. And on the inside, what you want to do is get your sleeve. Okay, so you want to make sure this is the inside that you're going to be adhering, the top part. So you can do it in 3 or 4, but I just do it and buckled there, straight on both sides. So that's what I want to do. Then you're going to go ahead and adhere that and try to center it, leaving 1/8 of an inch around. And there you go. So then you can go ahead and either embellish it this way, or even embellish it this way. Either way, they're so cute. And like I said, you can put anything on here and just package it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.